Good morning, children. Fifth standard, take out your term 1, page number 15. Fifth standard, take out your term 1, page number 15. See, today the chapter is chapter 2, the wind. What do you mean by wind, children? W-I-N-D. You hear this word anywhere, children? Wind. Breeze. Very good. Wind means breeze. Very good. And then one more word. Air. Very good. Air. See, wind means breeze or air, children. Today we will see about the wind. I saw you toss the kites on high. Toss means, children, through lighting. Toss. What is the meaning for toss? Through lighting. And blow the birds about the sky. And all around I heard you pass. Like ladies' skirts across the grass. O wind, a blowing all day long. O wind, that sings so loud a song. See, first para, we can see the kites on high. The kites on high. And blow the birds about the sky. Even the birds also you can see in the sky. First line, you can see the kites on high and it's blow the birds about the sky. And it's all around, we can hear like ladies' skirts across the grass. Oh, wind blowing all day long. The wind blow all day long and it sings so loud a song. And it sings means, children, when the wind started, we can hear the sound also. The wind sound. Yes. And then we'll go for the second para. I saw the different things you did. But always you yourself, you hid. I felt you push, I heard you call. I could not see yourself at all. O wind, a blowing all day long. O wind, that sings so loud a song. See, children, in second para we can see a different things you did. See, in the trees, if the wind started, the branches also will be shaking. Isn't it, children? And but always yourself you hid. I felt you push, I heard you call. See, O wind, a blowing all day long. O wind, that sings a so loud a song. Next, we'll go for the last para. O you, that are you so strong and cold. O blower, are you young or old? Are you the best of field or and tree, or just a stronger child than me? O wind, a blowing all day long. O wind, that sings so loud a song. See, in this third para, the child keeping the umbrella, but the wind is so cold, and the child is asking, are you young or old? Are you beast or field or tree, or just a stronger child than me? You are a stronger child than me. The wind is so strong, children, isn't it? And it is so strong and it is cold. Okay, and it sings a loud a song. Okay, today you learn about the wind. Isn't it, children? Yes, you can see the first picture here given the kite, and second picture you see the different of this tree, and you felt like this wind. And third picture, the child is asking, you are strong and cold, and you are young or old. Okay? Yes. Today take out your English notebook, write lesson number 2, the wind. take out your English notebook, long notebook, write today's date 13/7/20 and write today's lesson and write the hard words for this. First one, wind. Second one, blowing. Third one, different. Fourth one, blower. Fifth one, ladies. Sixth one, stronger. Seventh one, here. Here. Eighth one, young. Ninth one, sings. And last one, beast. Wind, blowing, different, blower, ladies, stronger, here, young, sings, beast. Today's homework, write it 2 times, children. How many times? 2 times. Tomorrow we'll move on to the exercise part.